If you want to be a professional scalper, stop wasting your time with higher time frame PDRAs. I couldn't care less about daily order blocks, 4-hour fair value gaps, 1-hour mitigation blocks or breaker blocks. You don't need that. If you're a scalper, you just need to know the direction. You need to know where to get in, where to get out, and then how you're going to spend your money. I'm going to teach you this today. Now, time and price is all that you need, but you need to understand how time and price come together. In this free trading lecture, I'm going to show you exactly how you know what the direction of the market is after you have the open. Now, all equities markets open at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. That is when the single stocks are allowed to freely trade on the stock exchanges. Once you know what the institutions are doing, you just need to place your orders and make your money. And I'm going to teach you this today. So what you need to understand first is once the opening bell rings, how do you know if that day is going to be bullish or bearish? That is the most important thing you need to know as a trader. What is the direction? Now, a couple of housekeeping things first. The market opens at 9:30 a.m. and it closes at 4 p.m. You need to know very quickly whether you're going to be a buyer or a seller. And I'm going to show you how to do this now. I'm going to show you a trick which uses the opening candle continuation statistics. And this is accurate 70% of the time. Now, what is the opening candle continuation? Okay, the first hour of trading is from 9:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. Once you've confirmed if that time-based range has finished bullish or bearish, you have your bias. And I'm going to show you the statistics for NQ. So to clarify, I use this indicator from Edgeful. So if you have a subscription to Edgeful, and you can join Edgeful using the link in the description to this video, once you have this indicator, you can customize it and it will plot for you the first hour of trading or whatever time period you are looking for. So in this case, I've got the first hour of trading from 9:30 to 10:30, and it plots that the open is here and the close is here. Look, this is your bias now. All you have to do is know how to get in and out of trades. Let me show you the statistics. This is Edgeful. Edgeful has tons of reports from an ex-Goldman Sachs alumni pertaining to trading, which allows you to find or refine your trading edge. He worked in the New York office, I believe. I worked in the London office. Now, this report is called the opening candle continuation. I'm initially going to show it for 6 months worth of data for YM, and then we'll expand upon that. So what does this tell us? It tells us if that first hour of trading closes green, how likely is it that that New York session will close green? So here you go. Green candle for the first hour of trading, 75% of the time you're going to have a green day. You have your bias now. Conversely, if that first hour of trading is red, 66% of the time you're going to have a bearish market session. This is huge. Let me now show you the stats for NQ using 3 years worth of data. There you have it. So 3 years worth of data. There's no anomalies here. This is now statistically significant. 78% of the time, if the first hour of trading is green, you're going to have a green market session. If the first hour of trading is red, you're going to have a red trading session 70% of the time. This is a powerful statistics. Forget about your higher time frame PDRAs. They mean nothing. What matters is what are the institutions doing when the equities market opens, right? If you would like to understand how this edge works for the other assets, including gold, silver, platinum, oil, Forex, ES, you can click link in the description to this video and get access to Edgeful. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade my golden bullet and rabbit hole trading strategies for index futures, energies, metals, crypto, and Forex, there's a link to my mentorship below.